Alright, what's up boys? We've been meaning to make a video for a while now. I'm kind of slacking, but here are a few updates of the 3-valve. First thing you guys probably noticed is my wheels and tires. Picked these up not long after the last video. I can bring you guys up close so you can see the details. Alright, as you can see, these are my 18 by 9.5 Aodhan DS06 wheels with 275 by 40 Federal tires. Federals are not the best brand, but they are cheap and they're kind of like a budget. I guess they're really grippy, a lot better than the 245s that were originally on it. But these wheels and tires, the fitment is a lot cleaner than it was with the 245s and stock wheels. Alright, some of the small mods you guys probably haven't seen yet or noticed would be my Trufiber banner. I ordered it off of Trufiber.com to match the Trufiber hood. I still need to finish the hood. We actually did clear coat it one last time with an actual spray gun that my buddy had. It didn't turn out as good as I thought it would, so we're gonna have to redo it again for the third time. Alright, and then coming around on this side. Alright, we repainted these little hood pins from the color match to just matte black. I like the look of them. They fit a lot better, so they look a lot cleaner as well. Alright, I also got hydraulic hood struts. I don't have to have the gay little stock one. It's pretty cool. Hope it's kind of in slow motion. Biggest mod, coolest in my opinion, is going to be my BBK Longtube headers floating to catless BBK X-pipe. Straight pipes to the rest. Alright, so coming from my BBK Longtube headers, I have BBK catless X-pipe, and throughout the rest is basically straight pipes, stock exhaust throughout the rest. 2.5 inch exhaust with no tips yet. I still need to order some exhaust tips. Hopefully the next week or so I will get on that. But as of right now, I will show you guys a clip of what it sounds like. I got a few future plans coming for this car, including handheld tuner and possibly some cams in the near future. And
alright, if you like that video, make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and in our upcoming videos we're going to have some new vehicles, such as his brother has a Jeep. This is actually his, not mine, so please don't think I'm racist. And not only that, but he also has a Blob WRX.